In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove staff accounts and permissions in Shopify. Let's start from your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged into your store's admin, you'll see the main overview page with all your store information. From here, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where you manage most of the behind-the-scenes configuration for your store, including staff access. Inside the settings page, find and click on the users or similar option related to your organization or staff. This is the section where you can manage who has access to your Shopify organization and what they can do. To add a new staff member, click on the option that says Add Users. A new window or page will open where you can invite someone to your store. In the email field, type in the email address of the person you want to add. Make sure it's an address they actively use, because Shopify will send the invitation there and they'll need to accept it to get access. Next, click on Assign. This is where you choose what role this new staff member will have. You'll see a list of roles, each representing a different set of permissions. Click on the role that best matches what you want this person to do. For example, someone handling orders and products might need different access than someone who only manages marketing. Once you've selected the appropriate role, click Save. That finalizes the invitation with the chosen permissions. Now, if you ever need to remove a staff member, go back to the list of users. Find the person you want to remove, then click on the white box or checkbox next to their name to select them. After they're selected, click on Remove. Confirm the action if prompted. This will revoke their access to your Shopify organization. To customize or refine permissions more deeply, you'll use roles. In the same users or organization section, click on Roles. This page shows all existing roles that define what staff can do. To create a new custom role, click on Add Role. Start by typing a clear, descriptive name for the role, something like Store Manager or Support Staff, so it's easy to recognize later. Then, type in a description of the role. This is helpful for you and other admins to remember what this role is intended for. Next, scroll to the permission section. Here, click on the specific permissions you want this role to have. You can enable or disable access to different areas of your Shopify admin based on responsibilities. Then move to the app and sales channel permissions area and choose which apps and channels this role can use. After that, scroll further to point of sale settings if you use Shopify POS and decide what this role is allowed to do there, such as managing locations or processing refunds. When you're happy with all the settings, click Save. Your new role is now ready to be assigned to staff members, giving you precise control over who can do what in your Shopify store.